Hi guys, Kat here. Today we are going to be making some curry rice using a rice cooker. We're going to cook in a rice cooker, okay? So what I have here is some Jasmine rice mixed with Calrose rice, but you can just use Jasmine, guys. I like to mix mine. Okay, so I have 3 cups of rice, and I filled it up to the line. Most rice cooker pot, they have the cup line. So for 3 cups of rice, I'm filling the water up to the line right here. This is for 3 cups, okay? So it's basically equal parts, guys. Okay, so my rice has been rinsed and cleaned really well. Now I'm gonna add the seasoning. I'm gonna add some onions, shallots. Okay. For the seasoning, we have chicken bouillon, granulated chicken bouillon, garlic powder, MSG is optional, and black pepper. This is our curry. Got curry and turmeric. Okay, turmeric's gonna give you that bright yellow color. And 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm gonna mix this all in really well. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed, guys. Okay. Okay, once you got it all thoroughly mixed, we're gonna go ahead and pop it in our rice cooker. And let it do its thing. Oops, guys, I totally forgot to add the butter. So I'm gonna open this back up. I'm gonna toss in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Okay, guys? This will give this buttery, creamy taste to it. And let it continue to cook. Okay guys, it's done cooking. When it was done cooking, I let it sit on warm for about 20 minutes before I open it up like right now, okay? Because I wanted all the moisture to be able to evaporate and leave you this nice cooked curry rice. The sun makes it better color, huh? See that? So you want to kind of fluff it or stir it up. Thoroughly cooked through and through. And voila. Rice curry cooked in a rice cooker. Very simple, easy, fast way to cook rice. It kind of tastes like fried rice without the frying. But you get this nice curry aromatics from the curry and turmeric. Beautiful color from the turmeric. The rich, creamy, savory seasoning from the bouillon and the butter, the unsalted butter. You can just eat it like this by itself or with your favorite meats, stir fries and things like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you will give this method a try and we'll see you back here next time. Bye!